Percy? This is absurd, isn't it? They're just having too much fun. And what do you think? Chickens eating mashed potato. Actually quite amusing to watch. Even Percy and Riley have come to watch Coolio and Dory I nearly said chicken then, eat mashed potato. Wow, it's a big hit. Okay, Coolio's done. This is where they now lay their eggs. This is the new nest. Just happens to be a little bin with some straw in it. And that's where they lay their eggs. The place to be. And this is where they live at night. It's a bit messy in there today. Dory sleeps on the lawnmower. That's her perch. And Coolio sleeps somewhere in there.